channel.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn a sound. Let's proceed with the story. It's almost the end of summer. Eric and his family have gone to stay on 10-acre farm for 7 days holiday. Every morning they get up early to watch the cows being milked. After that, Eric likes to help out with the farmer's chores. He helps fetch buckets of water from the well. Then he pours the water into the trough for the cows to drink. Then Eric helps to feed the hens and collect the eggs. He takes the egg to the kitchen for breakfast. Ellie, the farmer's wife, cracks open the eggs by tapping their shells on the side of the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Then everyone eats fried eggs for breakfast. Let's sing the song together and do the actions. You have to do the action of cracking the egg.
Egg.
Now, let's see words with a sound. The first word is net. Net. The next word is egg. 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 Let's move on to our next word. Pen. Pen. Pet. Pet. Ten. Ten. Set. Set. Neck. Neck. Step. Step. Tent. Tent. Scent. Scent. Nest. Nest. Test. Test.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.